how to recover Snapchat deleted photos. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Snapchat. Here we go. Your profile appears. At the top right corner, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. Over here, you can find different options. Scroll on to the bottom. You can see this option of My Data. Open it. Now you have to log into your Snapchat. Put your username or email and then password. After you are done, tap on Login. Now from here, you have to download your data. Your data includes all of your chat history, photos, everything. Just scroll down. You have to confirm your email address because all of your data will be sent to your email address. You will be receiving all of your downloads to your email address. So just enter the email address that you have access. Now scroll down. What you have to do is tap on Submit Request. Your request has been sent. Now they will be preparing a copy of your data. They will email you at the email address that you have just entered when your data is ready to download. You can check it out your mail. In this way, you can recover deleted photos in your Snapchat. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.